Take care.
Maridadi wewe.
Yeah.
Twende.
Sudah kita kamar. You are trying, eh?
Yeah.
Coming up.
Yes.
Take left hand.
My left hand.
Left hand. Press the left hand.
Okay.
Press hard the left hand.
I press hard.
Yeah. Then okay, there you are. Then you are allowed to move.
Yeah, okay. To now move in line. Oh, my right hand.
So you holding away camera. Wewe holding go baby.
Nombe holipangeli.
Ukula. Haya, twende wewe. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Of course, this is Culture Hub TV, your #1 online TV. And of course, I am your village boy presenter Dante, and today, as you can see me, I am with my Vakoki, Mr. Situmo Amanyasi himself. Yes, and hey, you are holding something dangerous. What's that for?
This is for cleaning the plow.
This is for cleaning the plow.
Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, we've been farming. It was since around 6 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, we are still going on. You can see here are our sufficient able, how should I put
neighbors, brothers and
brothers. It's just brothers. Yeah, just gentlemen. And guys, I guess this is our breaking time. Yeah, because I can see we are being served something over there to just refreshen ourselves. Because guys, this is not an easy task. I know you might think that it is just something like, you can think that the plow, holding the plow is just like holding a wheelbarrow. But I can assure you, it's not as easy as you may think, because I am an amateur and here is a veteran. He has been showing me how to do it, and I'm glad that at least, how can you rate my performance right now? Have I improved?
You have improved.
I have improved.
Yeah, next step, you'll be the skilled one.
I'll be the skilled one, right? So, you know, sometimes I just try to share with our viewers about our village life.
Yes.
Like my previous episode, I was just trying to just share with them more about teaching like African ladies or young girls who are married to Bukuzus, how they should behave, you know, especially with the mother-in-laws. And but I don't want to go more into details about that. But one amazing thing that I want you to tell my viewers is that this is just some refreshing stuff, right?
Yes.
But now, after we are done with the plowing and everything, we have something.
Yeah, naturally, because you are using a lot of energy.
Yes.
And you have to update yourself.
Yes.
And so at least you need to have a better an appetizing diet. Whereby at least he has to renew his energy. Yeah, and also on the other hand, it's a motivational way of actually working with people socially. Yeah.
Okay.
So we make something like ngoho.
Ngoho.
Yeah.
Guys, do you know what is ngoho? Yes, ngoho.
Yeah.
It's a chicken. A chicken, right?
Yeah.
So guys, after doing the hard work on the farm, we are going to eat some ugali with ngoho. Yeah, to just like he has just said, we have to update ourselves. And of course, that will also be the time that we will release the bulls to go and also enjoy themselves, right? But now we don't have anything special for them, or is there like
just as you have seen He's cutting the napier grass.
Oh, he's just preparing the napiers now for them.
Yeah.
They
so
also
as much
have,
as we are preparing our plate, we are also
preparing theirs.
Their plate.
Wow.
Yeah.
So guys, we have been farming and it's a very wonderful task for me to do. This is an African village. Here we are in Bungoma. I won't tag you the location, but if you want to be part of this, you can just comment right below our pages, and we will tag you. We will come. We will tag you along in our next African village life. But right now, I think we should drink something.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
Or we don't have enough cups?
I think
So we wait for them, and then we...
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, you can see our cows are resting over there. Maua, it's 4 years, Maridadi, 4.5 years old.
Yeah.
And then we have Nyundo.
Yeah.
Maybe you just come with me so that we show them what we are talking about. Kuka, you have to tell them about these bulls. You can see, so this one is Maridadi.
Yeah, but take care.
Oh, it's...
You know, we are not, I mean, but it's not bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's just a disclaimer.
Yeah.
So guys, I've just been given some disclaimer to take care of Maridadi. You know, bulls sometimes can be dangerous.
We are training him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, he's still an amateur just like me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so guys, this one is Maridadi.
Yeah.
I guess the name automatically came from the way
color,
it looks.
The color.
The color.
Yeah.
And then that one is
Nyundo.
Nyundo.
He's a strong man.
Very strong indeed. How old is Nyundo?
About between about 12.
About 12.
Yeah. 12, 15.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see him.
Yeah.
I really need to see him very well. Yeah. And he looks amazing. He's in good health in good shape, I mean.
Yeah, that's one thing. You know, when you are using them, when you are applying, we have also to take care of them.
Yeah.
We wash them every after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, you wash them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, taking care of.
This is it a hump or what, how is it called?
Yeah.
I don't know much about cows. Hump, is it a certain breed of cows that only or
yeah, they are different. This one is indigenous.
Okay.
That is a crossbreed.
Oh, this one is crossbreed.
Yeah.
But that one is indigenous.
Yeah.
Okay. So possibilities are even Maridadi will at some point gain, or it will be bigger than Nyundo in size.
Yeah, because it's young.
Yeah.
So in, just say in 3-4 years, it will be big.
It will be big.
Yeah, because it's still growing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, are we ready? Or yeah. I guess we are ready, guys. Our men were... I'll just help him drive the... I am now on the steering.
Yeah, Maridadi.
Maridadi, twende sasa. Twende.
Yeah, you hold like this.
Like this?
No, you leave.
Oh, I leave the... Okay. Aya, Maridadi, twende sasa.
Yeah.
Twende bebe. Yo.
Twende mbele.
Twende mbele.
Vuta jembe.
Vuta.
Yeah. And then you sing. Kumutambo, kumubi.
Twende Maridadi. Yeah. Twende. You know, I don't want to beat them. I have issues of inflicting pain to others. I don't like it. Maridadi wewe. Vuta. Vuta jembe.
Yeah.
Kenda. Kenda kuche.
Kenda kuche.
Yeah. Good guy.
Kurio.
Twende. Hey.
You talk to them as you... Hey, so that you keep company.
Oh, yeah. I just keep company.
Yeah.
Okay. Maridadi twende.
Oye.
Yes. But Nyundo iko na nguvu.
Yeah, yo. He's the trainer.
It's the trainer.
Yeah.
And you know, it's also finding it hard because at some point it's like it's doing this job alone.
You know, we said elimu line, yani iko kwa line.
Kwa line, yeah.
Hiyo iko nje.
Oh.
Yeah. So ukiwa kwa line,
you do the
uko na
majority.
kazi mzito. Na yeye ndio controller. Yeah, hiyo ya kwa katikati hiyo ndio controller. If you want to control the rest. So it's as much as it's taking care of the hoe, the plow. He's also taking care of the trainer, the trainee. He's the one to control him. So we normally say, iye mulaini niye hole kasi. Iye iko kwa line,
yani inafanya kazi.
Iye ndiye na control kila kitu.
Indeed. I've just experience too personally.
It's not an easy job, but
it's not an easy. Because you will notice at some point Maridadi remains behind and it also has to pull Maridadi.
Yeah. He has to tell him that let's go.
Let's go. But I'm sure with just like you have said, 3 to 4 years, Maridadi will be the one to be on the line.
But what we normally do is that we train them both. After sometimes this one will come here. So after he has so that they know each other. At one time, one of them can be weak or sick.
Sure.
So you have to change.
That's true.
So that's why we have to be. You have to train them to learn on both sides.
Okay.
Aya,
come. Come. Aya. And Kuka. Have you incarcerated?
The nyundo. Incarcerated.
Okay.
But Maridadi is yet.
I'm told one of the advantages of doing that is to help with it helps it to be more energetic and to do a lot of work. Okay. Are you planning to do that with Maridadi?
That one will be after next year.
After next year?
After he has matured. When you remove that, it must be mature.
Okay.
So that it does not reduce
in size. Instead it grows bigger.
Like nyundo, it's now about 1 month since we did that.
Oh, 1 month? Oh, so it's just recently done?
It's just recovered.
And you don't want Maridadi to have his own family,
well,
don't you think you're being selfish?
He'll be riotous. when he's mature. And the female. When they happen to be around. He becomes boastful.
It wants to fight. Okay.
Can even fight yourself.
But now when it is incarcerated, it don't show those.
No, those signs are wrong.
Oh, it just relax.
We call it luhamba.
Okay. Twende wewe sasa ni masaa ya kazi. Aya. Nice young boy. Bye. Aya. Nyundo twende. Kwa line. Twende.
You hold the whip proper one.
Oh, like this? Okay.
There you are.
Aya, twende wewe sasa.
That is how you. Because also when they see you holding
it like
they keep steady.
Okay. Aya. Twende. Twende vuta. Vuta. Ati vijana wanalala, sisi tunatafuta. Twende. Wewe.
Kenda hoje.
Twende. Haya.
Bana.
Twende. So how long or how much time do they work?
Normally if we come earlier by 6, the latest will be 9, so that you don't keep them too long.
Okay.
So you should also give them enough
time to recover
and graze.
Okay. And how do you remove these stuffs? Now, like you see, nyundo.
No, those ones will go off by themselves.
By themselves?
Yeah.
With the time?
Yeah.
Okay.
With time, after 1 week, they will have dropped.
Okay.
But ungachini nenga.
Yeah. Good. Today. Oh. Haya. Vuta jembe twende.
Manyoli nyundo ate yenya akusindika huko sana.
Amekasirika. Anaona huyu mtu ananichokesha huyu. They also find ways to express their feelings, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wewe. Haya, twende sasa. Wanaume vuta.
Kuje.
Vuta jembe, kuje. Twende. Nyundo kwa laini. Twende wewe. Maridadi. Maridadi inang'ang'ana. Ya, twende. Ati kumtambo kubi.
Yeah, kumubi.
Kumubi.
Yeah.
Kumutambo
kumumayanu.
Kumtambo kumayanu.
Yeah.
We don't want to pass over opportunities repeatedly.
Yeah.
So we have to do this.
Yeah.
This is one of the opportunities that we have decided to take it. Yeah. And guys, by the way, as you can see, when you come to the farm, you really have to plan yourself. You really have to have working gears on steadfast, because as you can see right me, just look at my trouser. These are weeds everywhere. You can see my shoes, how it's done. So you don't come here wearing like
a special suit.
Yeah, you can see how my wakoki looks.
Yeah.
And he's really looking amazing. You are looking good, sir, by the way.
That's, you know, you have to accept it because you don't know what is there.
Yeah.
You have to soil yourself. Yeah.
The weeds are there.
Weeds are there. The stones are there.
Yeah. You just so you have to just wear in a way that you won't regret
prepared for the war.
Yeah. Hey, so guys, like I told you, this is especially the oh, and where our boy is going. The driver was not careful. Wow, and it seems like they're suffering anyway. You see, I don't think they're okay, because now Ndovu, okay.
He was supposed to come this way.
Okay.
He was not steady.
The driver.
The driver was sleeping. Sleeping on the job.
Analala kwa kazi. So guys, like I told you, from here we will be going to eat engoho. And you know, a traditional engoho, an indigenous engoho, usually slaps different. It's not like the Iso crossbreed amas use.
Crossbreed,
yeah. So we are working in, but having in mind that we are going to eat something, and I guess that's also one of the motivator things.
Yeah, to motivate the workers.
Because that's personally, I guess that's what motivating me right now currently. I'm just doing this in my mind, keeping in my mind that after a year at least I'm going to eat something so that
So that is socializing.
Socializing. But one thing I must say is that I think we have done a milestone.
Yeah.
Because you can see the distance from here, from this end to the other end.
Yeah.
This is a huge portion of land, And you can see we are almost half, even we are past half of this upper part of this land. So I guess it's easier working with these stuffs.
Yeah.
Yeah, very
Easier, and also it brings the soil on top. It keeps it. It's even in the depth of the plow.
Yeah, yeah, you see.
Not so deep, not so shallow. Yeah.
Just enough size that we want.
Yeah.
Okay. And we also, and it's also, just like you said, socializing.
Yeah.
Because you can see now we have some friends, we are exchanging. Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And those people who like this job, in fact, you just enjoy.
Yeah, they just enjoy.
Yeah.
And I have noticed that once you learn the skills, it is not even as hard.
It's not.
Because you just have to control,
you
to
can
tilt
handle, you use with one hand.
with one hand.
Yeah.
So guys, just stay with us. Sisi tunaendelea kulima. I hope you are learning something, and I hope at the same time it's entertaining, because come to think of it, at this time or at this period of this century, we are still doing this. Don't you think it's amazing? Because personally, I'm really enjoying it.
And also something, economically.
Yes.
Instead of going for the big machine, the tractor.
Yeah.
Which is expensive.
And also environmental hazard.
Yeah.
Because the smoke, the carbon.
Yeah.
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 So economical wise, I think it's better.
Yeah. Environmentally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we just have to look for food for the cows.
Yeah.
And to also entice us.
Yeah.
And you are good to go. Yeah.
And you see with the tractor, sometimes it goes so deep that it brings it tends to generate the soil.
Tractors go deep. Okay. So guys, wacha tulime, we will talk.
Yeah.
Wacha si tuendelee na kulima. Just keep it here. Chup.
Wow, wewe. Deka.
Buruda.
Hey.
Hey. Guys, I'm struggling. Okay.
Hey. Aholanga over here too. Watu wanafanya kazi namna hiyo. Ndio kula ni jasho.
Kula ni jasho.
Kila kitu ni kazi. Najua mzee Kibaki alikuwa anasema hakuna kureka
kazi.
Wewe kama hola mrie. That is how it goes. Yeah, take care. Yeah. And then you have to be strong in your legs. Yeah, you balance.
You have to balance the legs.
Yeah, and you don't follow the plow, but it's you to control when you are
I am the one to control the plow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You see? Only one. Hey. Mana ni kalirwanyi tasi. Yes. Kama na ninjala. Hey. Gumutambo. Hey.
Tambo kuvi.
Hey. Ako tumanya gumutambo njala. Pasa. Rat. Futa jembe. Bande kama kona liro. Hey. Ako ima.
So guys, as you can see, we are busy working over here.
Yeah.
And Kukamanyasi, he's just trying to sing or to entice the cows to make sure what he's basically doing is just motivating the cows.
Yeah.
And at the same time, I think what are we doing? Because when we say that we are trying to criticize those who are still sleeping.
Yeah.
The lazy ones.
The lazy ones.
Yeah, so that's just a call to all the young men.
Yeah.
That they should be on the farm right now. Because poverty is not a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hunger.
We are trying to beat hunger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bas, fruta. Yeah. Basi mzee wa kazi naona mzee wa kazi yuko hapa anaendesha.
Unaona nimeanza kushika polepole, niko na mwalimu. Sasa anguka mtihani hapa.
Uko na mwalimu?
Niko na mwalimu hapa. Sioni vile naweza anguka hii mtihani.
Yes. Ndo. Bas. Futa. Kuliko kujana bo. Hey. Take care.
Hey.
So we have also to clean the...
We have to clean the plow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Guys, do you think you can do this better than me? Or do you do this in your village, by the way? I need to know, what do you farm use? Instead of, do you have any other means of cultivating your land aside from maybe the tractors, this is what we do in our village. Aside from this, kuka, we also plow using
the hoe.
The hoe.
Yeah. We have different types of plants. Finger millet. We have coffee.
Yes.
We have to plant beans.
Yes.
Vegetables. You can see napier grass.
It's over there.
Yeah, all that, you see, you have to use the hand hoe. Yeah, but if you have a big farm,
yes,
you need this one. Go, we give you a quick.
This one do very well in a large scale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But on small scale, you can just hire those people with the hoes.
Yeah, to just come and do it for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's actually okay. You have to make it a habit. If you are to be a good farmer, you have to make sure that you have that routine. Yeah, and then you have to keep yourself. At least you are organized. See what is next. Like now we are preparing manure. You will see it at home. Manure there. After this, we are going to carry it to this farm. When we will be planting, we will be making trenches.
Yeah.
So that when it comes time for planting, we put that manure on those trenches, and then we.
And you know the good thing, or what I love about this is, to our viewers, they should stick with us, because we will also share with them even the planting period, how everything will be done, including the manures that you are talking about.
Yeah.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to keep it here for you to learn more about village life and African village life, and what we do, more specifically what Bukusus do. And yes, I'm kind of enjoying farming in a group, because you know now it's not an individual responsibility. Where we do it, like we share. So it's fun. It's kind of fun doing it, because you saw earlier we were just singing, chanting, and everything. So you see, you have no room to say you are tired, because someone who will always give a hand when you feel like.
Things like Vitina, Kuna. Because you are all brothers, you talk, you work together. So from here we have to go to his farm, we help him.
Again we help him.
Then we help the other one.
Now you see.
So that we share. When he doesn't have, we can use these ones. As he is helping me, I will also help him that.
Sure.
So there is that teamwork. There is need for teamwork, especially in factory farming. Single-handedly, you can't do everything.
Haya, twende bebe. Renjengo. 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 Renjengo.
Maritata kujengo.
Renjengo. Twende bebe. Hivi toa hapa. Kama zimeamua kutoka sasa mbio.
Weka huko.
Wewe. Yeah, ameamua kushinda akili. Yo guys, we are almost done for today.
Hey.
As you can see, we are singing songs for them. They have done a good work. They have done a good job.
Yeah.
You can see all this piece of land. So this is the final part. We are taking them back home. We are done for today. But again, we will resume right here tomorrow very early in the morning.
Yes.
From 5 a.m. we will be here. You can see my age mate.
Yeah.
He has just come to my rescue. I was a bit struggling. Guys, like I told you, this is not a wheelbarrow. It's not something you can joke with, but I am just wondering how is my age mate able to do this when I look more energetic than him. But he's doing it better than I do. So guys, from here, like I told you, we have something special. We are going to have some good time together. We worked as a team, and so we are just going over there to at least have a very strong meal to refresh ourselves and to regain the energy that we have used over here. I don't know what to say. The good thing is that Nyundo and Maridadi also have their meal over there. We have set something special for them. They have to also feel good about themselves. Kuka,
Yes.
what can you tell these people as we wind up? Because you know, from here we are going to just relax while we wait for something.
Yeah, we will go as we go.
Yes?
As we untie them. We also...
We follow them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We also?
We have to wash.
Yes.
Prepare for while we wait for the meal.
Okay.
As others have prepared the oxen to go and feed themselves.
Yeah.
You see, they have their plates.
Here is one of the plates, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, you can see this.
Yeah, so that when they come from there, they will start feeding.
Yeah. This here is for Maridadi or Nyundo?
This is Maritati, Nyundo there.
There. I can see like there are
5 of them.
5 of them.
Yeah, because there are those there.
Also for the female kettles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, we have enjoyed. Personally, I have enjoyed. I feel for the first time I have used my energy on the right purposes, you know. Some other days I just use them to run and play or do something foolish, but at least today it has, I feel it was worth it. I have enjoyed working with you, Kuka, and I really think we should be doing this more often. You should be taking me to Shamba more often.
Yeah.
So that I am able to gain the skills you have, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need someone to be like you.
That's part of the exercise.
Yeah, part of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
keeping fit.
Keeping fit.
Yeah, instead of waking up in the morning, going running.
Yeah. You can just come to the Shamba.
Yeah.
Yes, so guys, here we are.
Yeah.
We will untie now our bulls over there.
Yeah.
At least we give my daddy some rest because he is young.
Yeah.
And he needs some rest.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow he will be back to the Shamba. So, yeah, they are our specialists. You can see. Yeah. And by the way, you know, these bulls are not that friendly, right, Kuga?
Yeah.
They can be hostile sometimes.
Yeah, of course, if you don't take care.
Yeah, they can hurt you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have just untied them. We give them time to rest.
So they start
the maize livestock, the remains of maize. Yeah. Oh.
You know, this ones help them when they eat. They will be able to drink more water. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, so
to hydrate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so good. So what do? We just wait. We chill around and wait, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, just stay with us. At least maybe my director can just go and confirm for us, guys, how the kitchen is going. But we will meet right here after a few minutes. Okay. And so guys, here we are, of course, after a long day or it was a long morning. You know, wanasemangaje sijui kazi na dawa, something like that. After you work, you have to eat. And so here we are. You can see we are as a team. We are being served. My Vakoki is there. You can see him just relaxed, waiting to be served. And so, yeah, that's it. You just wait and enjoy with us. I'm sure you will eat with us through our lenses, and it's gonna be awesome. So let us just be patient. Hii ni maji kila mtu yake. Vikombe ya maji kila mtu yake.
Yes, maji ya kunywa.
Nimefikiri ni chai.
It's good kuanzia mtu mkubwa.
You see, she has been taught well. Yeah.
Okay.
An elder first. Sasa utachagua tu tena nani mkubwa mwingine.
Yes.
Okay. Fanya tu kazi. This is amazing. Pengine kuna mwingine anataka kutumia sabuni. Mama mko sawa.
Mko sawa.
Mlibza swafi. Na mimi ndio nilishika uchafu. To use this. Yes, that's me. Okay, sana.
Kameka, hameka.
Oh.
Kameka.
Hapo ndio ilianzia mambo ya kaka. Yaani walikuwa na mega ugali. Ndio jina Kakamega ikakuja. Ili anomeo. Fanya kazi nzuri. Pika kijiko. So guys, as you can see, we are on it. We are doing what we do best. Remember, we are Bukusu people, and when you talk about Bukusu, of course, Engoho must be included in that statement, as well as Ugali. It's still in the morning. It is around 10 a.m. and we are combining our breakfast and lunch. Sindio kuka? Ama tena lunch nota tunaleta tena hasara sasa, si ndio? Hata kama umetoka shamba. Yeah, so guys, this is my African village, of course. I am your host, Presenter Dante. Remember to subscribe for more contents like this. Remember to be part of our family, of course, by just subscribing, commenting, and liking our videos. Of course, I am with our resource person, Situmo Manyasi, as he calls himself, and I am sure next episodes we are going to give them something amazing, right?
Yeah, we will come up with the murere.
With the murere. We will show them what murere is.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, for you who don't know what murere is, just stay tuned. And of course, as you can see, we have some fruits also. So we are indeed going, this is indeed a very amazing episode. So guys, until next time, goodbye.